Imizamo yokuguqula imigomo yokubhema kuleli lo mthethosivivinywa uhlose ukuqedwa kwemishini ethengisa ugwayi, ukususwa kwemibhalo emaphaketheni ogwayi, kusale izexwayiso ngomonakalo ongenziwa ukubhema empilweni yomuntu. Kanti kuzoba ngokokuqala ngqa imikhiqizo kasikilidi ilawulwa ngaphansi komthetho wogwayi.
To treat vaping in the same way as smoking will completely negate its attractiveness as an alternative to smoking. Coupled with the proposed taxation on vaping products, we know that this kind of regulation will hand the tobacco industry a major advantage against the only product to pose a threat to smoked tobacco since the advent of smoking. So we do not support it.
Umthethosivivinywa uhlose ukuguqula umthetho wokuthengisa kogwayi wango-1993 ukuze uhambisane nemigomo ye-World Health Organization.
The current law allows for a 25% of a smoking area in an entertainment sector or restaurant. But the bill is proposing to remove even that 25% due to the challenges that are experienced by non-smokers. So we'll now have 100% smoke-free areas in restaurants.
Ihlukene imibono ngalo mthethosivivinywa.
Sure, people should be allowed to smoke, but where's the protection of those who don't want to smoke? Where's the protection of their rights to not inhaling second-hand smoke?
As much as it's good for health awareness, yeah. Me personally, I would say it's not really a good move.
Uma lo mthethosivivinywa uphasiswa, abantu angeke besavunyelwa ukubhema endlini zabo kanye naseyindaweni lapho kuhlala khona abantu ngokusondelana. Bazophinde bengakwazi ukubhema ezimotweni uma kukhona abantu abangabhemi kuzo, okubalwa kubo nezingane.